Did you know hippopotamuses secrete natural sunscreens? Hippopotamuses secrete a red, oily substance that acts as a natural sunscreen, protecting their sensitive skin from the sun's harmful rays. This secretion also has antibiotic properties, guarding against infections. Hippos use it for communication and territory marking by spreading it on their bodies. It's often referred to as blood sweating, but it's not actual blood. This remarkable adaptation helps aquatic giants thrive in their environment. That's it from my end, and for more new interesting facts, stay tuned to Noello.